Hi, I'm Mia. Today we will be making feta bruschetta. To make feta bruschetta, you'll need some good bread, a few juicy tomatoes, and some feta to spread. Some olive oil, garlic, basil, and balsamic vinegar too. With these ingredients, you'll make a dish that's sure to woo. First, slice the bread into rounds, about ½ inch thick. Brush them with olive oil, and here comes the trick. Bake them until they're crispy and golden brown. They'll smell so good, you'll want to gobble them down. Now, time to make the topping, oh so fresh. Chop up the tomatoes and feta, just like a chef. Add the minced garlic and chopped basil. Then mix in oil and vinegar, but just a drizzle. Once the bread's cooled, pile on the tomato mix, garnish with basil, and there's your bruschetta fix. Thanks for watching.